explain my OOPG project. So today I'm going to present you my OOPG project. So it is it's better to show first. It's better to show first. So this is the welcome page. It's not important. So it's actually a merchandise shop relating to chess. So how did I came up with the idea is I was sitting at actually, why am I explaining this? Whatever lah. Then basically it is relating to my CCA. Then I felt like I have to something related to me. So first I will go through my web page. So first I will run the page with no name and no contact number, no address filled in. And then this is the validation. So if you never fill in, then this is the error message that will be sent out. So after filling in the information, I will press purchase again, and order must be there will be another error message. Order must be placed at least 2 weeks in advance. So if you change this to 2 weeks from the original date, which is 29 Jan, it should work already lah. So just to be safe, 13. Okay, so then now it should work. No more error message. Boom. Let's go. Okay. Then after that, you can choose what type of chessboard. You have three to select, which is one is the marble, the second one is the wood, and the third one is the cloth one. Most of the images and the names I found online, mostly on Amazon. So and these are original prices and stuff. I'll select actually from the word that the mini project word I selected the wooden one, the gold and silver, and I selected shirt and socks. So these prices would totally tally up to around $360, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 360.38. Yeah. So yes, now I'm gonna explain the code. Boom. This is not the code. This is the code. Yes, let's go. So first I'll go through the index. Very simple. This is the cover page, the home page. It's not very important. I mean, you could change the layout, everything, but I didn't want to be so fancy in a page that is not necessarily important. So yeah. So then this the link here will direct you to the new order HTML code, which is this one. So and it will show this. Okay, so after it directs you to the HTML code, the first batch of code, which is this one, is the background image, which is this design I chose online. And each individual part which is the image that there is a file inside the new root. This means that you will continue repeating the image. This means that every time you scroll, it will follow the scroll wheel, and it's not a fixed image. This will automatically you will use the original size of the photo. Then yeah, that's just the background image. Then this is the title. Got my name, merch shop. This is for the validation system where when if it's empty, it will show the error message. This is necessary for all types of validation all types of the validation. So these three and also the read date and time is necessary for the error message to show. After that, this is the method post, which is what basically shown. What is shown: name, contact number, text, ASP4. So basically, this is for the name, this for the contact number, this for address. Basic stuff. The read and time. It will show the time and date and when the website is launched. Yeah. And this is the color of the error message, which was red just now. I'll just repeat again. Yeah, it will show in color red. Where are we? Oh yeah, choose your chessboard. Another header with big bold. For each variable C in model board list. So it will what's called is a array. It's a loop to display the array, this tree, which if you go to the SCS, which is it will show this three important. It's not important lah. Just the three types of chessboards. Then after you select, which is this part, select ASP4. Then you can select the option. You set the options as such. Blah blah blah. Table center. This will make the table, this boxed square rectangle looking thing, in the center of the page. Yeah. The type, price, standard stuff. The name of the thing. Actually, I should change the type to name, but whatever. It's not important. Okay. Then the price, blah 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 blah. This part is just to display in the table format lah. This part is where the user input is the most important. Then choose your set. Choose your set is this part. So you can, it's a boolean where you can select either or. It's not multiple, it's either or only. So you can either choose black and white, the classic black and white, or the royal gold and silver. It will save it into, it will save the value of into sets. The save into sets class stands for classic and royal, which stands royal. Yeah, and then the images. Hey, shit. Hey, no swearing. Okay. After that, yeah, blah blah blah. Okay, standard. It's a repeat of basically the repeat of the top part. Except now it's optional. So you can choose multiple, or you can just choose to check none at all. This is the checkbox function. Blah blah blah. And oh wait, I haven't explained this part. This part, right? It means it will. It's not crop. What is called? It will make the image into the size of it. So now this is 400 pixels by 400 pixels, 500 pixels by 500 pixels. Done. Blah blah blah. Submit. And okay, after all the way down, submit purchase. So this is the button to submit the whole thing. Yeah. And then after you submit, it will display the your information, your order info, which is the chessboard and the chess sets. Chessboard and chess set, and then the total cost of your whole purchase and the delivery date. Okay, now I'll explain the CS part. I mean, it goes hand in hand. This one will bind this will bind property, bind the name, get set. This is the error message. If it's not filled in, then it will show the error message. Delivery, public date time, it will show the date and time. Why is okay? How to explain? It's all like you should know. Public eye action result. This one, oh wait, I actually haven't explained this part. Okay, so this part is also needed for the validation. If you don't have this, you can't validate. You won't be able to use this require error message. Then public action result. Yeah, boom. Which is also part of the validation thing. This also actually a lot of validation. Okay, validation takes a lot. Okay, this one validation also. So if I want to say it's not valid, basically if it didn't fulfill the criteria of delivery time rate, it will show this, the error message. Yeah. Then this one is to set the customer info at the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, correct. Order info equals board, the order information. You see the board, and then show the cost. This will add to the total cost, set the total cost. This will set the total cost at the start. And after that, it will continue adding the total cost if you select different types of the sets. Also, it will add on to the order info. Wait, I never press. Okay. Yeah. That will add. Then after that, if hoodie goes through, then it will add also to the cost. Then after that, it will return the return to the front page, the price. Boom. Yeah. And then after that, if else, because this is an if statement at the start, else it will return back to the page and show the error message. And that's how you explain code, guys. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Thank you, teacher. I was very nervous. I suck at presentations. I hope you take this sincerely. Okay, bye bye. I pressed the wrong button. Wait, what am I supposed to press? Oh, leave.